Chareta! Sorry. Ang laki!
Good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Ang laki! So if you are already wearing your gown, make sure to wear your blazer or anything blouses that has an opening here in front para easy na lang sa pag-alis ng blouse mo later on kapag ready ka na and full glam na iyong face.
Let's start off by tying down our hair. Kailangan walang sagabal sa ating mukha. Skin prep tayo! I use Olay Hydrating Toner to tone my skin and prepare my face for makeup.
Nga pala guys, I forgot, I'm already wearing my contact lenses as you can see. So, if you are not used to wear contact lenses at talagang lumuluha kayo kapag tinitry on nyo yung inyong contact lenses, then I would suggest that you wear contact lenses before putting on makeup para hindi masirap yung eye makeup. Okay? But I am not suggesting that you should wear contact lenses. But it's up to you. Kung gusto mo parang bongga yung look or parang simple lang, it's okay not to wear any. Okay?
Next, moisturizer. Ito yung pinaka-importanting step before anything else dahil moisturizer isn't just great to help hydrating your skin and protect its moisture barrier. It can also be the perfect base for makeup application. Next, primer. I use this Maybelline Baby Face Primer to prepare my face for foundation.
Next, foundation.
I will be using this newest foundation from L'Oreal. By the way guys, meron akong review video tungkol sa foundation na to and the link will be on the description box below. Concealer time! I use this Maybelline Mineral Concealer to cover up the sumpa on my face. Charito lang! Okay, it's time to blend. I use this cute blender from Shawil to blend those concealer. Alright, setting time. First, I will be using this Nichido Final Powder in the shade of Creamy Glow to set my under eyes and on the highest points of my face. Next is this setting powder from Fashion 21 in a darker shade from my skin color. Will be set onto the portion where I will be placing contour later on.
Kilay muna before contouring.
I will use this Avon brow set in dark brown shade to help frame my face. So I'm gonna be doing a natural brow to achieve that beautiful glow. So if you weren't able to watch my brow tutorial video, feel free to visit my channel. To set my brow in place, I will use this eyebrow gel from Fashion 21 to lighten my brow shade just a little bit. I will use this cream foundation by BYS as serve as concealer to clean the edges. Right, let's contour, baby. I use this foundation stick, which is a darker shade on my skin, to serve as my contour stick. So every individual has its own face shape, so it depends on you on how you place your contour. Just like what Rihanna said, it is very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see in every YouTube tutorial, because everyone's face shape is different. I'll set my contour with this Nichido Contour palette. So every time I contour my nose, I always draw a small arrow down shape on the tip so that it will give you that lifting effect. Eyeshadow now. First, I will prime my lids with this eye primer from Elle. I will feature this very affordable makeup palette from Fashion 21 for only 179 pesos.
It comes with this blush on and the applicator.
I will take this brown shade as my transition color. Taking this champagne color, I will place this onto the inner lid. To add some shimmer, I will take this peachy sparkly shade and I will put this right from the center of my lid to the inner corners. To add some depth, I will take this red shade and apply to the outer corner of my lid. Let's make a wing. Using this Maybelline eyeliner pen, I will use this to add some drama to my eyelid. At ikabit na natin ang ating false lashes, mga besh. Lock up those lashes with double up mascara from Fashion 21. Next, taking this pink blush from the Color Blend palette, I just applied this to the apples of my cheeks. Oh, highlights na mga besh! I use this highlighter set from Pebble and highlight those highest points of my face. I moisturize my lips with this Everbelina Magic Lipstick, which is my favorite, with vitamin E before putting any lipstick. I put up some glam with this red lip crayon from Avon. Finishing it all up with this setting spray from Nishido.
Orasyon, orasyon, umalis ang mga masamang mga elemento dito. So ayan guys, hopefully you like this end result of my prom makeup look for today. And this is my ever first time to do this kind of makeup tutorial in which na nag-glam up ako guys. So as you can see, ito na. Nag-costume ako para sa inyo guys. And this video actually is a requested video from Jasper Samson. And he requested na gagawa ako ng isang prom makeup tutorial na featuring a very cheap or very affordable na mga eyeshadow na pwedeng gamitin ng mga estudyante kung wala kayong budget para pang na magme-makeup sa inyo. At if you wanted to do it yourself, then ito yung Fashion 21 color bar na itinry ko sa video na to. Ito yung pwede ko ma-recommend sa inyo guys. Very practical lang. And it only costs 179 pesos. So hopefully you like this end result. I would recommend to wet your brushes or your applicator so that makikita mo talaga yung intensity ng kaniyang quality. But as you can see guys on this video, ginawa ko lang siya parang dry lang yung pag-apply ko sa aking mga lids kasi meron naman akong eye primer. Ito yung kanyang resulta. Okay naman siya guys. Very good naman. Pero meron lang siyang fall off pero okay lang yan. Reasonable naman siya for only 179 guys. Ito na granted request ni Jasper Samson. Kung bago pa kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if this video is very helpful for you guys, for all the students out there that is upcoming na yung inyong prom, seniors ball, hopefully this look or makeup look is helpful for you guys. So this one is actually not sponsored by the way. Kung baka nag-iisip kayo ng sponsored ito, hindi. Ibinili ko talaga to with my own money. And ito yung pwede ma-recommend ko sa inyo guys. So, that's it. So, I think that's it for this video for today. Nag-costume pa ako. Oh my gosh. Medyo malaki na yung braso natin ngayon kasi aging na. Slow down din yung metabolism natin guys kapag 26 and up na yung age nyo. Talagang akala nyo hindi kayo tataba. Dati akala ko yun eh. Pero akala ko lang pala yun. Tumaba ako guys. Tumaba. Oh my gosh. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you're not still yet. And if you have any suggestion or request for another video, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And that's it for today guys. See you guys next time.